So these are the ingredients that you will be using for the paneer dough pyaza. Let me take you through each ingredient. I have 2 medium size onions. These are small size onions which I have cut into 4 pieces, or you can cut into 6 pieces and separate the florets like this. Then I have 2 little bigger size onions which I chopped into very fine. Here I am going to grind this ginger and garlic. That is 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Here I have 3 tomatoes which I have pureed. 3 tomato puree this is. Coming to the dry masalas, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Chili powder can be added according to your taste, more or less. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and this is 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. This is 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Okay, so let's get started. Here I have some cashew nuts which I am going to soak for about 10 minutes in milk and then grind it to a fine paste. So these are the ingredients. I did not mention green chilies in the ingredients because green chilies is optional. If you want, you can add. There's another ingredient which I did not mention, that is capsicum. These 2 are optional ingredients. Fry this for 2 minutes. Add the chopped onions. Fry it for 3 minutes till they become translucent and a little golden brown. So it was nearly about 4 minutes now that I got this particular color that I wanted for the onions, the slight golden brown. So now I'm going to add the remaining ingredients. That's the ginger garlic paste and chili powder, turmeric powder and the coriander powder. So the chili powder, coriander powder and the turmeric powder goes into this. I will again fry it for about 2 minutes so that the ginger garlic paste is fried well. Keep stirring it occasionally so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. You can see the oil is separating. So I'm going to add salt and the tomato puree, and I'm going to continue cooking it till the oil separates again. I'm going to cover and cook it for 5 minutes now. It's a lovely red color which is not being captured on the camera. So I'm going to cover and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes till the oil separates, and this is cooking on low flame. You can see the oil has separated. Now to this I'm going to give it a stir, and I'm going to add the cashew nut paste that I did. And also here, this is optional again, This is 2 tablespoons of malai from the milk, from the boiled milk, the malai that comes on the top. So these 2 ingredients I'm adding, and I'm going to give this a stir and again let it cook for a minute, covered on low medium flame. Here I have heated a shallow pan, a tawa actually, and I'm going to saute the chopped onions which we cut into big pieces. So I'm going to just let them become a little translucent. So you can see here the gravy is looking awesome. I cannot get the color, but it's a lovely red. It also depends on the Kashmiri chilies. So I fried the onions. Now in the same oil, I just added the paneer pieces, and I will just let it fry a little bit on both sides. Just a little brown, and that's enough. In the same karai, after frying the onions and the paneer, I put in 2 capsicums, but this is your choice. As I said, this is optional. And just let them get a little bit fried. So here you can see now the masala is nicely fried. To that I'm going to add the onions. I added the onions and the garam masala. I'm going to give it a quick stir. I'm also going to add the capsicum now. So here goes in the capsicum too. And the paneer. The capsicum, the onions and the paneer has been fried a little. I'm going to just stir it, mix all the masala into the paneer. And to this I'm going to add, this is a small baby cup given by Kasturi for Christmas. I'm going to add 1 cup of water. This depends, the water quantity depends on how much gravy you need. You can make it a little more watery if you want. A little more gravy, but I will keep it to this consistency because I'm going to serve it with pulao. I'm going to cover and cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. So I added another half cup of water, okay. So I got this thick gravy and it is simmering for 2 minutes now. I will let it simmer for another 2 minutes so that the masala goes into the paneer and the capsicum, everything. So see you later. So the gravy is, to this I'm going to add kasuri methi, and let it cook for 2 minutes. And your paneer do pyaza is ready.